It's almost months then. Now it's a perfect time to show how much we love you grown up. I love my mom, and I know that my mom loves homemade cod. So I'm gonna make one. If you like to look at this, then you can make one food. Grown up too. All you need is some cards. You can use any color you like. I've put some new cards here. Here is nice envelope full card like this. Neat in the address. So you have your card shape. Now to add the roses. Now for this is very unusual. And what for this? Sorry. I know. I'm going to chop the bottom outside off. You can eat the sticks later if you like. I'm going to use the bottom of celery in a flat put. Next time, using pans. I'll use one pint with small red roses. I'm going to dip the celery into the pan, making sure that there's not too much in there, and then dab it onto the card. It's got 3 roses. Lots of space between them. Now gouge at the stems and stems you will agree and use paintbrush to earn them. A line down there, one there and one there. And there we have it. Our beautiful card from out there. The next stage is one dry and you can mess it inside. Oak mud, unite and a big kiss. And all mothers are grown up all love it.